Another stunning Defender has just arrived. This is the Defender 90 in a colour called the Eiger Grey. 2022, 22 registration with only 1,600 miles on. The car is literally like new. Beautiful colour, nice black styling pack on it, but then it's got other extras. Now this car is an X-Dynamic SE, so to start off with, it's got a fabulous specification, but it has been added with some other key features. Now let's start with the front. You've got the lovely black styling, which is the black badges, the grille, the inserts, the surroundings around the headlights. Being the X-Dynamic SE, you've got the upgraded headlights, and you can see the detailing and the glass piece, which is the LED-style daytime running lights and the full LED headlights. You've also got things like front and rear parking sensors with the parallel park assist, and just in the front there you have the front camera, the side cameras and the rear camera, so the car has a full 360 view camera system. All the arches are colour coded, the bonnet slats are also finished in gloss black, the X-Dynamic badging, and then on this one you've got the 5094 wheels finished in satin grey, which is the 5-spoke beautiful wheels, 20-inch in size, which are upgraded. You've also got the fixed mud flaps front and rear, and the fixed side tube steps. Again, fully functional, you can step onto it to get in and out the car. Side vents are also finished in black, and then you have the contrasting black roof, so everything from this point and upwards is all black, and below is Eiger Grey. This little square here is comfort access, so if the keys are in your pocket, as you walk up to the car, it will unlock, and as you walk away, you press that, it locks for you, and the wing mirrors fold in. Just behind the B-pillar, all that is a glass panel, which looks beautiful, but as for the interior, this is amazing. You're nice and high up, super comfortable, lots of space for you and your family. You're not sort of shoulder to shoulder. That centre armrest is humongous. And then another thing on this car, which I've not really seen many, this one has the folding fabric roof. So it works like a panoramic glass roof, but not everyone wants the sun coming all the time. This is a folding, it's amazing, and look how far back it goes. It's almost like a convertible. Obviously you have the touchscreen media system, you have dual zone climate control, front and rear heated windscreen, and you've got heated seats. USB, USB-C and the 12-volt sockets, twin cup holders, more cubbyhole space underneath there, all the grab handles you'll ever need, memory seat, Meridian sound system. It is a 5-seater vehicle. Round the back even, you've got the gloss sections again here, the LED rear lighting system, black badging, and you've got that hard back rear finish there, so you can fully use the car, no problem at all. This car also has the electric deployable tow bar, so when you press that button, electronically the tow bar flips out, use it, when you're finished, press the button again, and it goes away. So when you're not using it, it's out of sight, out of mind, but when you are using it, it's just press of a button really. The car's done such little miles, so the condition is absolutely immaculate, inside and out. And like I said, with them key features like the deployable side steps, like the folding roof, side steps, black style and pack on it, this genuinely is a stunning car. And remember, the D250 is a 3-litre, 250 brake horsepower, sounds amazing, gives you great miles per gallon and has more than enough power. Lane assist, fully multifunctional steering wheel with the 4 spokes there, also leather wrapped. You also have the adjustments for the steering column, which goes in and out and up and down. It just makes a fabulous car. We are selling so many of these Defenders, A, because you can't get them. So this one's physical, it's here. Remember, when you're looking at other cars and you think, oh yeah, well I found one similar, it's £1,000 cheaper, but it hasn't got the tow bar, hasn't got the folding roof, isn't an X-Dynamic SE, it's not the same car, and then colour combination means so much. My name's Joe, my name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.